Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show. We are so honored that you are listening today. If you want to hit subscribe and get up to date every time we post new content, and we're doing it all the time, hit that subscribe button. We would greatly appreciate it. You can also share anything you hear with friends and family. That would be huge for us as well. Follow us on social media. We're pretty much everywhere you are at The College Investor and at thecollegeinvestor.com, where you can dive into all of the resources and things we talk about in this show and in every show. It's all at thecollegeinvestor.com. Today we talk about, we ask the question, because we get this a lot actually, do college campuses allow pets? Let's dive right in, shall we? We shall. Okay, so imagine walking through a college campus and seeing students stroll by with their dogs, playing fetch on the quad with their tortoise, or relaxing in their dorm rooms with their cats. Pets are an integral part of many people's lives, for sure. And for good reason. They offer companionship, emotional support, even therapeutic benefits, which can benefit college students for sure. In recent years, a lot of colleges and universities have adjusted their campus pet policies and meet the changing needs of college students. So, having a pet in college was really kind of a rarity at one time, but pet-friendly campuses are now more common as colleges work to create a more supportive environment for their students. That said, though, having a pet as a college student is a big commitment in terms of financial responsibility and time commitment. So, from explaining common pet policies to reviewing current trends on campuses, we're going to break down the ins and outs today of owning a pet as a college student to kind of help you make the most informed decision for you and Harry the hamster. All right, so here are some general pet policies in college. Historically, colleges and universities maintained strict no-pet policies. My school did. But due to concerns over allergies, maintenance, and potential disruptions to college life. Outside of service animals and training, protected by the ADA, or the Americans with Disabilities Act, pets were generally not allowed on or around campuses. The landscape started to change, though, as the conversation around mental health and well-being for students became more prominent. Studies have shown that pets can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, improve your mood, offer emotional support, which is particularly beneficial when faced with a demanding academic environment. As awareness of the benefits grew, colleges began to reconsider their pet policies. The vast majority of changes to pet policies were focused on campus housing rules. Many schools went from banning pets altogether in dorms to opening pet-specific dorms, wings, or rooms for students. While some colleges have breed and weight restrictions, most animals are now welcome on many campuses, believe it or not. Finding pet-friendly schools. Understanding pet policies and identifying pet-friendly campuses can be an important decision point for prospective students during the college application and decision process. Some universities that have led the way on inclusive pet policies on campus are Stevens College. Stevens College is in Missouri. They have allowed pets on campus for over a decade. It provides special facilities for doggy daycare. Wow, that's pretty cool. And even organizes pet-friendly activities. Eckerd College. This is in Florida. One of the first to embrace a comprehensive pet policy. It accommodates, a wide range of pets and encourages students to integrate them into their campus life. SUNY Canton. So this is in New York. They accommodate most small animals, offer a dedicated pet wing in some residence halls for sure, and then they even have specific floors for dogs and spiders and all the other pets. Stetson University, last one I'm going to mention today, also in Florida, they permit a wide range of pets from rabbits to guinea pigs in its pet-friendly housing units. There are others in North Carolina, Arkansas, too. There's just a few of a bunch of schools that recognize the positive impact pets can have on student well-being and community building on campus. As such, they have made changes to their pet policies to support these values. You can find links to these schools and more at thecollegeinvestor.com right inside this article. And when conducting your search, Make sure to review campus housing policies to see if they allow pets and which species or breeds may be restricted. Pets in a dorm versus apartment. While updated campus policies are a huge benefit for current and incoming students, they only apply to students who live in an on-campus housing complex. If you decide or instead live off campus, there's going to be some additional policies and fees to take into consideration. Since off-campus housing isn't governed by any single entity, policies can vary greatly. So here are just a few examples of what you're going to encounter off-campus. No pet policies. Some apartment buildings just have very strict no pet policies, prohibiting any type of pets due to concerns about noise, damage, and allergies. ESA allowances. These are buildings that allow pets legally designated as emotional support animals for a monthly fee. Pet-friendly policies. Other buildings are pet-friendly and welcome various types of pets. However, they often come with specific rules and regulations to ensure the building remains clean and peaceful. Pet-friendly buildings are becoming more and more common, but they still may have restrictions on breed, weight, and even the number of pets in a single unit. Additionally, many buildings require an initial refundable pet deposit, sometimes monthly pet rent, to protect against any possible damages. There are also interpersonal considerations if you have roommates. Even if the building allows pets, it's important to consult with any roommates you may have in case they have any concerns about living with an animal. And here are some other considerations. While housing type is an important factor in deciding whether or not to own a pet in college, there are some other items that play a role as well. Time commitment. College life often includes unpredictable schedules and spontaneous plans. Pets require significant time and attention, which can be challenging to balance with academic and social commitments. Financial cost. The cost of food, supplies, pet visits, and potential pet deposits for housing can add up, straining a student budget for sure. So, for example, the average cost of owning a dog is like $1,400 per year. The average cost of owning a cat is still around $1,200. Travel and mobility. Pets can make travel difficult. Yeah, whether it's going home for the holidays, studying abroad, but since pets need that consistent care, even a long day of classes and work can make it difficult to manage having a pet. And of course, you have distractions and allergies and phobias. Those are just a few things to be aware of. And here are some alternatives, though, to having your own pet. If owning your own pet seems a little bit difficult for your situation, there are some other ways you can integrate animals into your day-to-day life as a college student. With the growing recognition of the value of animals on student mental health, a lot of universities have implemented programs that bring therapy animals to campus during high-stress times. Some universities have also begun partnering with humane societies to develop fostering programs for students. This allows students to foster pets temporarily on campus until the animals are adopted. Let's take a look at some of those programs. There are campus programs, but also services for pet sitting and dog walking are also great opportunities to engage with animals, all while getting paid to do it. Services that connect students with pet owners include Rover, WAG, Pet Backer, all one word, and Fetch Pet Care. All of those links you can find inside this article at thecollegeinvestor.com. And all are great options for spending time with animals in college to get that stress relief. So here's the takeaway for today. As college campuses evolve to better support the diverse needs of their students, many of them have begun to embrace more inclusive pet policies, recognizing the significant benefits of pet ownership. From alleviating stress and anxiety to providing that companionship, pets can play a crucial role in enhancing student and human well-being. While navigating the decision to own a pet in college involves considering housing policies, financial costs, time commitment, potential roommate issues, all that stuff you need to consider. Many universities are making it more doable through pet-friendly dorms and campus programs. For those who find owning a pet challenging, alternatives like therapy animal programs, fostering, pet sitting services like Rover offer meaningful ways to engage with animals. Overall, having a pet as a college student can be an enriching commitment. If this is something you're actually considering, getting clear on why you want a pet. It's always about finding your why and understanding the ins and outs of pet ownership. That's what's going to help you make an informed decision that could enhance your college experience for years to come. And that is our show for today. I hope it was helpful for you. If you've been considering taking a pet to campus or owning one, you can find all the resources we talked about again inside this article at thecollegeinvestor.com. Thanks again for stopping by today, and we will talk to you again real soon.